Hi everyone, don't you just desire for a phone that has a massive battery that is long-lasting and durable? Well, today I have just the thing that fits this description. You'll be having a hands-on look at the OUKITEL WP19. The box itself looks professional, with some cool specs listed at the back of the box. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users would find one OUKITEL WP19 rugged smartphone, placed nicely around foam protective layering. One user guide is included to guide users on the product operation. A SIM card tray pin is included too, along with a charging wall adapter, and a USB-C charging cable, all packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the WP19 rugged smartphone looks really cool, with a solid and rugged design to it. At the back, users will notice the nice leather texture pattern, signifying elegance and class. At the sides, users will be able to see that it is casted with a durable metal body frame which looks good. Check out this massive 6.78-inch display. It looks really huge and functional, can't wait to power it up to try it out. At the other side, users will find the volume control button and power button fitted nicely on the phone. At the bottom, when you open the flap, you will be able to find the headphone jack, which is pretty rare nowadays, along with the USB-C charging port, to recharge up the device. At the back, there are AAA cameras that looks really futuristic in design. Let's power it up. Press and hold the power button to power up. Once it boots up, you can follow the on-screen instructions to configure the phone. Check out the home page layout. It looks so bright, vibrant and beautiful. It has the latest, at the time of filming, Android 12 on it, so the interface looks clean and neat. It is very smooth when I browse around on the phone. It uses stock Android, and there is no massive bloatware on it unlike other phones, so the phone stays fast and smooth. Check out the camera interface. There are many different shooting modes on the camera app, like night vision, photo, videos. It's also very easy to use, just point and capture what you want. Other photography shooting modes are available like time-lapse, panorama, and more. Good options available. It has a unique infrared night vision sensor on it, as you see here on the back, so users can see and capture shots on their phones even in complete darkness. Like in this test, I entered a pitch dark room, and to my amazement, the IR night vision camera works great. I can see even in complete darkness with this feature on the WP19 smartphone. Amazing. Great for outdoor camps or expeditions. Check out some test photos I took with the WP19 smartphone. They look really good. Vibrant, sharp, and even the macro mode looks good. I can see patterns and things up close. In video mode, I can capture clear and crisp video shots of sceneries or animals in vivid detail. The 64-megapixel camera main lens captures shot in great clarity and depth. Google Play Store is available, so you can download your favorite apps on it. Let's try playing a game on it to see if it runs smoothly. During my trial, the game runs very smoothly. With global 4G band support, users can stay connected on the go. Use the phone or messaging app to connect with friends and family. It runs on Android 12. Overall, I find the OUKITEL WP19 rugged smartphone a durable and functional device. Such a huge battery capacity rugged smartphone is hard to come by. If you are looking for something that is durable and can have long-lasting battery life, you can check out the OUKITEL WP19. More details with the link in description. Check it out. Thank you for watching.